I will teach you how to make a cozy fleece infinity scarf with this step-by-step tutorial. This was made to be a reversible scarf that you can make using quarter-yard remnants of fabric that you might have left over from other projects. I've also included a hidden pocket in this scarf design so that you can easily store your phone and wallet or other little accessories. Just check out the link below in the description to download the pattern for free. You do not need to give me an email or anything. It's just a free sewing pattern. So after cutting out your fabric pieces, we're going to add the zipper pocket first. Place your invisible zipper face down on the right side of the scarf. The bottom of the zipper will extend beyond the lower dot that I have on the pattern piece, but you want to sew only between the dots. So the tail of the zipper will hang free for the last 1 to 2 inches. Open the zipper before sewing it. Now you want to repeat that for the other side of the scarf. Make sure the zipper is face down with the teeth facing inward on the right side of the fabric. Now you want to sew down the long sides of the scarf with the right sides together. Do not sew the short ends, just the long sides. On one side of the scarf, you'll want to leave 2 to 3 inches unsewn on both ends. Now we're going to add the pocket pieces. Line up the dots on the pocket with the dots on the scarf. Pin it to the seam over top of the zipper and sew. Repeat the process, lining up the other side of the pocket and pinning it to the seam on the other side of the zipper. Now you want to sew the 2 pocket pieces together. Make sure that they line up, one pocket piece on top of the other, and sew around the perimeter. Now we're going to sew the scarf into one long tube. So to do this, you want to fold the scarf in half inside of itself. So reach through the scarf and pull one end through the tube with right sides together. Then you want to sew it around the edges. The same colors should be matching on each side. You should have a gap on one side of the scarf, which you will need for turning it into the right side. After you have sewn the scarf into the tube, you want to turn it to the right side through that little gap. At this point, it's a good idea to also check your pocket to make sure that you've installed it correctly and that the zipper is working properly. Now all you have to do is sew up that little gap. And you'll have that finished reversible fleece infinity scarf with a hidden pocket.